I'm using cedar to make this mini log cabin decoration. Now the best part about this project is if you don't have a lot of woodworking tools, you could even go so far as using a toy like generic cabin building logs, also known as Lincoln logs. Basically what I'm doing is cutting out a bunch of strips at 3/4 of an inch, then adding a 45-degree chamfer on all sides. Rather than rounding it over, the chamfer helps keep the pieces stable and gives it that classic toy look. Then I'm cutting out 3/4 inch dados. This is simply so the pieces can fit together. I'm dadoing out 1/4 of the height on each side, because that'll make the pieces nice and snug in the middle. I then cut out all the pieces I need just with the bandsaw, because this seems safer than the miter saw. Now this is up to you, depending on exactly what type of cabin design you want to go for how many of each size piece you want to cut out, but that's a great thing about making the parts yourself. You can do whatever you want. Then I worked on assembling the whole cabin, just gluing and pin nailing all the pieces together. After assembling the cabin, you can do whatever you want to finish off this decoration. I built a particle board base and framed it with some cedar, and I tried a couple different options, one with polyfill and one with a more generic fake snow.